Alright, alarm. Check. Alright, let's get some sleep.
1 hour later.
Wake your ass up. Get your ass up. Who sleeps at 3 a.m., huh? I told you, wake your ass up.
Oh,
Who said you sleep, huh? Wake your ass up. Huh?
who the hell are
I'm the brain.
you?
The brain doesn't sleep at night. We sleep during the day, bro. And now is not the time to be sleeping. Get up! We got things to do. You remember that argument Angelo made 10 years ago? Yeah, we got a new argument against him. And you need to stay up so we can watch. We got a new argument against him. And you need to stay up. Damn, bro. You louder than me. And I'm the one that's supposed to be the alarm. Alright, bro. Whatever, bro. Hey, yo, you remember 7 years ago what Dylan said to you?
Yeah, Dylan
I just came back with the best comeback ever. You wanna hear? Yeah, you wanna hear? He ain't got nothing on us, bro. He said that we took his cookies. We didn't take no cookies, bro. We ate his cookies, bro. Yo, y'all need to go to sleep. We got school tomorrow, bro. We got a test, too, bro. Come on, just go to sleep, man. Man. Alright, you know what? I'm kind of sleepy anyway, bro. I'm just gonna go, bro. Come on.
1 hour later.
Yo, it's 6:30. Wake up. 6:30. Do this. Do it. Mysteries abound. Made of a deep energy. Foes all around. Well, now we'll go fearless and free. Bam! Chill out, Strange. I keep punching you, man. Chill out. I'll get your ass off to school.